Let's go over the standard features of the no-ramp trailer line. Starting at the front of the trailer and working our way back, all trailers come equipped with an adjustable coupler to provide proper level towing with any tow vehicle. Next is our laser-cut banjo holes, offering accurate safety chain lengths for proper tow setting. An oversized systems box for storing tie-down chains and tools, equipped with a protective tray to keep the mechanicals from being damaged. Inside the box is a dual-purpose LED readout, providing a volt reading that confirms your tow vehicle is trickle charging the battery, and a battery life indicator to verify sufficient charge. A 15-foot extension cord control module allows for activation of trailer at the systems box or up to 15 feet away. Additionally, LED courtesy lights located inside systems box for nighttime visibility, as well as on the rear of the systems box to light the deck for tying down equipment after sunset, are standard issue. Each trailer is built with winch receiver used for winch mounting at time of purchase or at a later date. LED rubber-mounted lighting is used for bright visibility and low voltage draw to help maintain battery life. Our stake bed pockets with rub rails provide additional tie-down locations and add vertical mainframe strength. 6 welded D-rings on twin and triple axle trailers are standard issue, with a 4 count on single axle trailers providing multiple tie-down locations. Laser-cut banjo holes located at each of the 4 corners of the deck for even more tie-down options also come standard. We place our cross members at 12 inches on center to maximize horizontal mainframe strength. Our double-sided welded fender housings provides incredible vertical mainframe strength that are absent from the majority of trailer builders. Full-length torsion axles provide superior ride and long life. A dual-sided safety lock ensures safety of the load in case of accidental hydraulic line damage during transport. Our wire harness runs through the protective 3-inch steel center channel, reducing maintenance costs and lighting failures. We cannot make you maintain your investment. However, we can make it easy for you to. Our easy access grease zerks makes it more likely that you'll do such. Critical locations include the axle pivot pins and the fender top hinges. After the entire frame and associated parts are first sandblasted, we then zinc primer and follow up with powder coat paint for long-term durability. The no-ramp design advantage eliminates injuries caused by heavy ramps, such as pulled back muscles, smashed feet, and severed fingers that lead to worker comp claims or lawsuits. The design saves time and money, as loading/unloading can be done with or without a tow vehicle being attached. Avoiding equipment damage is also a benefit, as low approach angle protects equipment from damage caused by falling off ramps during loading and unloading. Byproducts of the design include theft prevention. As you may lower the trailer, engage the safety lock, lock the systems box, and create a theft deterrent mode. Additionally, tire changes are made easy by removing cargo, breaking the lug nuts loose, applying blocks under each rear corner of trailer, then lowering the trailer to raise tires off the ground for spare tire exchange. No jack needed, saving time, and much safer. Enjoy the low approach angle that affords the loading of any low clearance equipment including skid steers, scissor lifts, forklifts, pallet jacks, industrial floor care equipment, and much more.